Everyone. So we have successfully downloaded our first tutorial of Python, how to install the Python in your local machine. If you forget the video, you can just go and just see how to download the Python. So after install the Python, you have to download one IDE where you can write your code. So personally, I recommended for Microsoft VS Code. So it's very good and easy to understand interface. So I will tell you how to download that Visual Studio Code in your local machine. So first of all, you need to come any of browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge. I recommend it for Google Chrome. So you have to open your Google Chrome and just write VS Code download or VS Code, whatever you can just write it, VS Code download. So the first link you will see like official Microsoft Visual Studio Code. This is the original website. You need to visit it. After that, you will see this type of interface. It will it will give you the all method to download like Windows or other PCs as well as Mac. So I am using the Windows, so I will download for Windows. So for Windows, you will just see it. It will redirect it to this page, and I think it is started to download. You can just go to three dot of your Chrome browser. After that, you will see the download options here, and as you able to see, like it's start downloaded, and it will take few seconds to download it. And after then, we will set up how to set up this VS Code in your local machine and start writing the Python code. So I think it's successfully downloaded. You can directly revisit directly with this software from here. Otherwise, you can just go your PC downloads. Here you will see the file. So you have to double click on this file. So it will ask you the terms and conditions. So you have to just accept the terms and condition and click on next. Again, it will ask you to download the path, specific path. So I'll tell you the please set up it. By default it's suggestion. Please click on next again, and please click on next. If you want to start menu folder, you can just click on text bar, but in my case I don't want to this, so I will click next. I'll uh, I will just again click next and install it. There is nothing need to select it. It will take a few seconds to install in your local machine. I'm installing the Windows 11 latest version of Windows for Microsoft VS Code for writing Python code. So if you are using VS Code any ID, you have to install Python. If you skip the video, you can go there and see that video. So it's installed successfully and need to finish it. So it will directly open it. So after opening it, asking you to for open any file. So you have to create a new file. So you can create a new file. You can go files and new file. Just create file name new. For my case, I'll create new dot py. Any Python file will extension dot py. You have to write it and then enter. You have to save this file whatever space you want to save, like desktop, downloads, or anything. You can choose it and just create file. And our first code will see print hello hello world, and run. You can run from here. I think print spelling is mistake. need to write a small print. It's a function of Python. So you can just see it here. I am again writing. You can just see it. Hello world is successfully printed. So this is a way you can just follow this video to download a VS Code in your machine. So VS Code is a IDE, integrated environment development, where you can write your code, Python code, as do some experiment and make your data science, AI, and machine learning projects here. So I will show you next video starting from how to start Python basic to advanced. Please follow up, and thanks for watching this video.